Welcome Americana Injury and to the workers' compensation claim process in Houston. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to file a successful claim. The first step is choosing the right doctor. It's important to select a healthcare provider who specializes in workers' compensation cases. Next, gather all the necessary documentation, such as medical records, accident reports, and any other evidence related to your injury. Once you have all the required documents, complete the workers' compensation claim form accurately and thoroughly. After submitting your claim, it will be reviewed by the Workers' Compensation Board to determine its validity. During the review process, it's crucial to cooperate fully and provide any additional information or documentation requested. If your claim is approved, you will receive compensation for medical expenses, lost wages, and other eligible benefits. In case your claim is denied, you have the right to appeal the decision. Consult with an attorney specializing in workers' compensation for guidance. Remember, it's essential to follow the workers' compensation process diligently to ensure a successful outcome for your claim. Thank you for watching our guide on navigating the workers' compensation process in Houston. We hope this information has been helpful to you. Visit us at www.americanainjuryclinic.com for details.